Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on my channel, I wanted to start a new corner where I introduce you guys to new Korean skincare brands and products. So today, I will be introducing you to a Korean skincare brand called SKIN1004. This brand is pretty popular. You can find a lot of reviews on YouTube. It's been on like Korean beauty shows. A lot of Korean celebrities also like reviewed it, such as Ishyung. So today I will be reviewing the SKIN1004 5 products. I will be showing these in order from the 5-step skincare routine. So let's get started. All 5 of these products, they do contain centellaasiatica, which is cica. It's a very famous ingredient in a lot of skincare products. I don't know why, but my skin reacted to a lot of like cica products. But thankfully, these products, my skin was perfectly fine. Also, these are great for all skin types, including like oily, dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. So I broke down the 10-step skincare routine to 5. So the first step will be to remove your makeup, and this is their Centella Light Cleansing Oil. I love the packaging because it's see-through. You can see how much product is left. And also, if you turn it to the back, behind the label, it's a photo, like a picture landscape of Madagascar. So pretty. Also, their boxes, it's so pretty, and I love this quote, "The gift from untouched nature from Madagascar." They also have explanations and ingredients directions in Korean and in English, which is great because in a lot of Korean brand products, you can only find things written in Korean. So for the oil, as you can see through the bottle, it's very watery, like lightweight. It removes my makeup. It's also great for pore cleansing. So even if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you could still use it to cleanse your pores. It contains 6 plant ingredients in here. It also contains olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. So Aiden's been using this a few times, and he told me like he could notice like his pores getting smaller, and it really helps like cleanse. So all you have to do is squirt some on the palms of your hands, and then just start massaging your face. And after like a minute, add some water on your hands and then massage it again. You'll notice it turning kind of white as your makeup starts like melting off. It did remove all my makeup, but if you use like super waterproof like eye makeup, like eyeliner and mascara, you might want to use like a separate eye makeup remover for that. But it did remove like all of my foundation and face makeup. Also very gentle, and it doesn't dry up your skin, like it doesn't suck up the natural oils from your skin. Second step after cleansing oil is the cleansing foam. This is their Ampoule foam, and it's in a tube like this. I love the color. It's like a taupe ivory color. But besides the centellaasiatica, it also contains coconut oil in here and glycerin. I love how it creates a really nice lather, and it helps cleanse my face. Squeeze about like a dime size amount, and it has a really nice lather. Just wash my face. I love how it doesn't like dry out my skin since it is an ampoule foam. This cleanser has a low pH 5 level, so it balances out without drying it. Third step is toning. So this is their toning toner. This is also see-through. This is a hypoallergenic PHA toner. So PHA is one of the lower levels than like AHA and BHA. So it very gently and mildly exfoliates your skin, removing the dead skin cells, helping like your skin texture smooth out. Also hyaluronic acid in here, so it helps like calm the skin while also moisturizing it. So sometimes you could even like pour some on a cotton pad and kind of leave it on your face as like a skincare face mask. What I like to do is just pour some on the cotton pad and wipe off my face with it. Also remove like the dirt and impurities away that didn't come off when you washed your face. The fourth step is Ampoule. This is their Ampoule. It has like a medicine drop. And you guys, this is 100% Centellaasiatica. For those that don't know about Centellaasiatica, it has a lot of skincare benefits. Like you could even Google it up, like Google up all the benefits of this ingredient. It helps with even wounds, brightening, moisturizing, wrinkles, soothing, strengthening, eczema, and so much more. The first 3 steps was basically like cleansing and stuff. So now you have to pack your face with nutrition and things that are good for your skin. So I just drop this all over my face and pat it on and let it like sink in. There's no other ingredients in here except Centellaasiatica. You don't have to worry about like other harsh chemicals that might irritate your skin. You might want to test a little portion of your skin before using it though, because your skin might react to Cica, it might not. So test it before. Now the last step is the cream. This is their soothing cream. They actually have 2 different ones. They have like a regular cream, but I got the soothing cream because I live in Texas and it's like so hot and dry. It kind of feels like a desert weather here. Like the UV light, it just seems a lot stronger here. So even my skin's reacting to it. I've been like allergic to the sun. Whenever I go out, like I get all these like red bumps and itchy rashes. So that's why I chose this soothing cream. How it looks, it's just like a jelly type texture. And this is great for calming and soothing. It has like a cooling effect, which you know how you use aloe vera whenever you get like a sunburn because it helps with calming and soothing. This is like the same thing. Size amount and put it on my face. Kind of dab it on, let it sink in. It absorbs really quickly, and like the next morning, after I tried this a couple times, my face felt so soft, very calm. Like my redness, I noticed it got a lot better. Dry patches also went away as well. Using these 5 products in the 5 skincare routine, my face feels very fresh, very hydrated. My makeup also looks great the next day because if you hydrate your skin, the next day you have less dry patches. So the foundation looks better. I feel like my skin makeup came out really good today. So in the 5-step skincare routine, you could also add like 1-2 steps in between. You can also add a face mask. This is also their famous zombie pack. It comes in like a powder and a pack activator. I haven't used this yet, but Aiden has. And it's called a zombie pack because after you mix this 2 together and apply it, it starts drying up and it looks like you have like wrinkles, like a zombie face. Yeah, it looks like it's like your face is cracking. So yeah, Aiden said the next day his face felt so like useful and he's like, do I look younger today? I'm like, yeah. So it's really good. You can also add like sunblocks as well. I wear sunblock every single day, even when I just go out to the car. In my previous video, I did mention that after I went to the Korean dermatology, like my last visit in Korea, they told me I had like a very mild rosacea. I always thought I had acne-prone skin, but he said I had a mild rosacea, which means I have like super sensitive skin. So since these work for me, hopefully those that have super sensitive skin as well, these will also work for you as well. I'm so glad I got to finally try out their products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'll have an angel diary up next and show you guys our current life of sending 2 kids to school. Yeah, we have to wake up like 6:30 a.m. every day. So yes, thank you guys. Bye.